So today I want to do a quick video and I will show you how to find the statistics of a journal so that you can be able to see the best journal to publish your article in Scopus. How to be able to evaluate a Scopus journal before you can be able to publish on that particular journal. What you should be able to look for when you want to publish in a journal. Using this site called Scimago Journal and Country Rank. So this particular website ranks different journals based on their performance, based on their countries, and then based on their quantile. Yeah, so that now before you publish your journal, you can be able to decide which is the best journal you are going to publish your article. So what you do is that you come to this site. It is called ScimagoJR.com. Then you come here to homepage and then you have this search. Maybe you want to publish in a management journal, you just write management and then you click enter. Then this site will present you with different management journals that are indexed in Scopus. You can see all these are journals which are indexed in Scopus, and if you look, you are presented with a journal and the country in which that journal is located, and then the publisher. You can see like this journal of management is in United States and it is published by Sage Publications. You can see the next one, organization science. It's from United States and it is published by Informs Institute of Open Research and Management and the Management Science. So let's assume you are interested with tourist management from United Kingdom and it is published by L. Silver. So when you click on that, it opens up and then the statistics of that particular journal are presented. You can see the journal name is Tourist Management. It's already indexed in Scopus. Then you can see the country is United Kingdom and you can see the subject area in which it covers. Yeah, the subject area and category. Then you can also see the publisher. And another important thing that you need to know is the rank. It is ranked at 4.146 and it is quartile 1. It is Q1 journal, so it is quite high ranking journal. And you can see it is the publication type is journals. You can also see the ISSN of that particular journal. And another thing that you could be able to read is that in case you want to publish in this journal, you can see it covers from 1982 to 2025. It has been around for quite some time. Then you can, if you click here, you'll be taken to the home page of that particular journal. So the home page you open, you can see this is the home page of the journal. It is opening here. So now you can be able to see different information about that particular journal. So the first time decision is 19 days, the review time is 77 days, and etc. So if you come back here, if you want to publish that journal, you just click here. Then you can also be able to see the scope of that journal. The tourism management is a leading international journal. You can read the scope of that particular journal. And then another thing that you can be able to read is you can also see other similar journal, International Journal of Tourism Research, International Journal of China Tourism, other related journals. And then you can also be able to see the ranking. How has it been ranked over the years? You can see it has been increasing in ranks over the years, total documents published, and you can also see the total sites and save sites. You can also see citations per document, how they have been progressing over time, and then you can see also the percentage of international collaborations, etc. So you can be able to read many statistics about that particular journal before you can decide on whether to publish on that particular journal or not. So you can be able to see one important thing that you'll be able to see is the quartile. You'll be able to see that this one is a Q1 journal. It's highly ranked in Scopus. So another thing that you need to know is that this particular website ranks the journal which are indexed in Scopus. This journal or any journal that you find here is indexed in Scopus. So you can be able to to evaluate the journal before you can decide whether to publish on it or not. So this site called ScimagoJR.com is very important when you are evaluating whether to publish in a journal or in a Scopus journal or not.